Hello, everyone. Welcome back to EnglishVista.ai. In today's lesson, we'll practice 70 professional office English sentences that you can use in meetings, emails, chats, client calls, and everyday workplace conversations. Speak each sentence after me for better fluency. Let's begin. Daily office sentences. 1. I want to discuss something important with you. 2. Could you please clarify this for me? 3. I'm not sure I understood that correctly. 4. Let me check and get back to you. 5. I'll look into it and update you soon. 6. That's a very good point. 7. I completely agree with your idea. 8. I see what you mean and it makes sense. 9. That actually helps me understand better. 10. Thanks a lot for your support. 11. I really appreciate your help on this. 12. I'll keep that in mind while working on it. 13. I'll do my best to complete it on time. 14. I'll try to finish this by the end of the day. 15. I'm working on it and making good progress. 16. I'm almost done with the first part. 17. It's taking a little longer than expected. 18. I'm facing a few issues with this. 19. I'm a bit busy at the moment. 20. Can we discuss this in more detail later? 21. Do you have a few minutes to talk? 22. When would be a good time to connect? 23. What do you think about this approach? 24. What's your opinion on this? 25. Can you give me an example? 26. Could you explain that in simple terms? 27. What are the next steps for this? 28. What's the deadline for this task? 29. Who is working on this part? 30. Can you share the latest update? 31. I will confirm this and let you know. 32. I will double check and get back to you. 33. I will send you the details shortly. 34. I will review it and share my feedback. 35. Let's schedule a meeting to discuss this. 36. Let's connect on this over a quick call. 37. Let's take this offline and discuss. 38. Let's put this on hold for now. 39. I will update the report by tomorrow. 40. I will share the document with you. 41. I will coordinate with the team. 42. I will handle this from my end. 43. I will escalate this if required. 44. I will make the necessary changes. 45. I will inform the team about this. 46. I have a quick question regarding this. 47. I need a little help with this task. 48. Could you please help me with this? 49. Can you share the details with me? 50. Can you send me the file, please? Professional responses. 51. Sure, I can help you with that. 52. No problem, I'll do that for you. 53. Of course, I'll take care of it. 54. Sure thing, I'll handle it. 55. Absolutely, I'll get it done. 56. Yes, definitely, I can do that. 57. It depends on the situation. 58. It varies based on priority. 59. I'm not certain about that. 60. I will have to check and confirm. Requests and useful expressions. 61. Could you please do this by today? 62. Could you please update me on this? 63. Please let me know once it's done. 64. Please share your feedback with me. 65. Please review this when you get time. 66. Just a quick reminder about the meeting. 67. Just want to check if you're available. 68. By the way, have you seen my email? 69. Thanks in advance for your help. 70. Looking forward to your response.